Welcome everybody to my weekly recap. My name is Eric. I've been trading prop firms now for over 3 years, and this is my journey of me trading my straight to funded Lightning account with Tradeify 50K size. It was another horrible week. You'll see in all these live trading recaps that I'm pretty disgruntled right now. I just don't know. I'm in a weird place. I do have some good news. If you saw my last video, I am starting a new job that is going to provide me with a lot more stability and income in my life, which I'm very excited about. And hopefully that reflects in my trading. Going into next week, I do start training for that job, and it is starting pretty early in the morning. So I will most likely not be trading tomorrow or have a recaps. If I do, then I will try to put them up. When I start my regular shift though, it is a little bit later in the morning, so I still will be able to trade the New York Open. So again, looking forward to that. But yeah, this week I'm just kind of down on my trading right now, and it just kind of is what it is. So I'm just going ahead and posting this. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the recaps. Happy Tuesday, October 21st, 2025. We got the pre-market high marked out here at pre-market low, and we're kind of getting a nice little dump here. We're about almost 30 minutes after market open here. So I'm kind of looking for us to get a nice close down here, and then we'll look to take shorts. Did not take a trade yesterday due to the outages of the servers and everything. So was not able to even take a trade, unfortunately, even though there was a good setup, but hopefully we get one today and we'll go ahead and see what happens here. I'm just waiting for this candle right here to close. We have about 3 minutes on this candle, and then we will look to possibly enter a trade. I like how we came down here, retested the 200 EMA and the 9 EMA, and now we are getting a engulfing candle here on the 5-minute chart. And that's why we wait for a candle close here. It was looking really bearish there, but now it's kind of popped back up. So again, we want to see this close strong bearish in order for me to try to look for shorts there. Otherwise, that's looking like we're going to kind of hold this pre-market low and maybe go back up here. All right, we do have an order here at the bottom of this candle. We got kind of an engulfing candle there, and we're breaking those pre-market lows. So I want to see us get below this, and then we would be targeting essentially yesterday's lows here, down here. And I'd be going for about 20 points there, trading micros again, because we do have about a 10-point stop. Okay, we're in this trade. I'm going to move my stop just above here, and we will go ahead and let this play out. Happy Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. We are about 45 minutes into market open here, and we just been kind of consolidating right here. Nothing's really happened. As you can see, we're using the pre-market low as support. This was also a support level yesterday, demand zone, and that's really strong here. So essentially I'm waiting for some type of maybe fake out breakout to go long, or an actual breakdown here, and then a retest to go short. So just trying to stay patient today. I haven't been trading well at all. You've seen any of my other videos, and a lot of that has come down to forcing trades and just jumping into stuff because I wanted to. So definitely just going to try to take it slow today and be patient. If we get a trade, we get a trade. If we don't, then we don't. All right, y'all, we got a break and then a retest here, so I'm gonna go ahead and set an order here. So we got a break of the pre-market low after we got this nice bearish candle. We're gonna go ahead and enter this, and we'll have our stop right above here. And let's go ahead and let this play out. Going for 12 points here. Right here. I'm gonna move this up. All right, and we got the W there. That trade feels good. We were in with one ES contract. I just don't care anymore. Like I just feel better doing one ES con. For some reason, when I trade micros, I just feel like I'm nickeling and diming myself. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna do one ES con, and yeah, that was a really good trade. We ended up making the max amount, which was $600 there. So good trade. We have what, 2 more days left of the week, so we'll go ahead and see how that goes. Good morning, happy Thursday, October 23rd, 2025. Actually recorded some videos this morning, but the audio wasn't working, and so this is my second attempt here. But we got the pre-market high marked out and the pre-market low. As you can see, we had a very bullish move to the upside here, and we had a break of that pre-market high, and now we are getting a pullback here. So I'm going to be waiting for this pullback back into the pre-market high, the 9 EMA right there. And then from there, we will wait for a bullish candle, typically like a bullish engulfing or something like that, to go ahead and join the longs. And then we would target these highs from yesterday right here. So that is the plan right now. We do have some news here as well in the next 2 minutes, or yeah, 2 minutes here. So want to wait for that. And then from there, we will go ahead and see if we get a setup. All right, so we're at a crucial level here at this pre-market high. Kind of broke below this 9 EMA and broke below the pre-market high as well here. So waiting to see if we get like a rejection here and might enter shorts right here below to continue the trend lower, unless we break back above. But I'm liking a short right here. So we got basically a break back into the pre-market high, which is like a fake out breakout right here. And then we held below, and then we retested just now. And yep, we're tapped in, and then my stop is going to be right above that high there. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what happens. We'll let this play out. We are tapped into this trade. We got a bit of a bounce here off that 200 EMA, as you can see. We could see like it hold right here too. Yeah, we got to bounce off that 200 on the 2 minute there. All right, guys, I'm just not going to touch this. I'm just going to let it play out. I don't want to micromanage and do something stupid. So we'll just let it play out and see what happens here. If we get back down to this 200 EMA, then I will trail it to 5 points, but I just got to let it play out now because I have no choice. So could have tried to grab profit right there. I didn't. It is what it is. So we'll see what happens here. My audio wasn't on, but yeah, as you can see, got stopped out there. That's very fucking frustrating. Should have took profit. I mean, I was up what, like $300-400 in profit. Fucking is what it is, man. It's just trading. It's just trading right now. I've just been frustrated. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm just kind of fucking over it, to be honest. So 1 more day left this week, and yeah, we'll fucking see what happens, man. It's just ridiculous. Like I just can't get ahead. But yeah, minus $300 there, and like I said, we'll have fucking 1 more day left tomorrow, and is what it fucking is. Peace. Happy Friday, October 24th, 2025. Once again, we have pumped above all-time highs on ES. Pretty amazing. There is all-time highs right there. We have the pre-market low, we had the pre-market high, we had this big candle due to CPI here coming in lower than expected, which I believe indicates that inflation is slowing down, which the market likes because that means more aggressive rate cuts. So that's why we are pumping. I am not looking for shorts today at all. I am looking for longs only. What I would really like to see, we are about almost 30 minutes into market open here. What I would really like to see is us kind of come back down to the previous all-time highs, I should say, and hold this as support, and then we could go ahead and target that pre-market high. That's what I really want to see. I really don't want to play anything up here, and I don't want to short. So that is where I'm going to look for. I want to look for something here or something all the way down to the London lows right here, pre-market lows, and hold this, and then we can go for longs. Yeah, guys, it doesn't look like I'm gonna get a trade today, unfortunately, at these fucking all-time highs. So annoying. Another annoying week. I have to get going to get to a car appointment, so yeah, not looking like I'm gonna get a trade unless it happens in like the next 15 minutes, but I want to try to go ahead and get this video out. So yeah, I just want to go over kind of the week here to wrap everything up. As you can see, my total P&L is at 154.25. We ended up coming back a little bit here. If you saw my previous video about how I just got a new job, you saw that I was pretty disgruntled, and you'll see that throughout all the clips of this week. But Monday we had that stupid Amazon actual outage that caused Project X to go down, and it was a complete fucking mess. And to be honest, guys, I'm really not liking Project X. I really hope Trade Evade Prop has the risk setting similar to Project X, but it's just clunky. I've noticed some like slippage type things, and I just don't like it compared to NinjaTrader, to be honest. It's hard for me to place my stop orders because I like to enter in with stop orders instead of like market orders and stuff. So yeah, just little things like that. So I kind of want to get away from Project X as soon as possible. But yeah, it's just been a disgusting month, a disgusting 2-3 months, whatever. And y'all can say I suck at trading or whatever, you know, it is what it is at this point. But we're gonna end the week up $35.63. And yeah, y'all will see y'all already saw the clips from the rest of the week. With that being said, next week I do start my new job with new training, and the training is pretty early, so I don't think I'm going to be getting any trades, and if I do, I'll try to get them recorded as well. But with that said, make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and I will see y'all next week.